This is so cool, Felix. You can cross at zero. I only cross at the green light and not at the red light, but you cross at zero. So this is amazing. Now, I actually also cross a line because I cross the line from the prototypes to the real products. Because now, Robin, we will talk about something existing, a product which we can use and which customers already use, and you have a particular interest in this product. But before we start this, you are such a young man, but you told me you already worked 16 years for Beckhoff. So how is this possible, Robin?
Yes, it sounds like a quite long time. I start with a technical apprenticeship right after finishing school, study electrical engineering and work for a few years in our system engineering. It's a department for traditional cabinet building and program machineries, and now for almost 6 years I'm in the sales department, and it's still fun.
Okay, so interesting because I also started my career with cabinet building, so we are basically the same roots and move our way into sales or product management. Now, inside the sales department, you have one product line, the MX product line, which is your personal favorite, because you can actually help customers in a particular way to eliminate the cabinet. So now what is the normal step if you meet a customer and would like to convince him to use MX? So what do you do?
Yes, the perfect start for such a project is to view the machine on site. We get a quick feeling for how much space is available, which machine functions can be combined on one base plate. We have to add short cable lengths, and it's equally important to look after special requirements that we are not covered with the MX system yet, because we need to find smart solutions for that.
Yeah. So I think in the beginning you really observe all the inputs, the outputs and the motion, and then you start with the base plate. So is the base plate basically then the backbone for the project?
Yes, we start with it, but we're going to detail planning after the initial meeting, and for that we use our circuit diagram, I/O list and functional list, and translate or transfer the machine functions into modules. Therefore, we have a MX configurator. It's a Beckhoff tool for planning the whole base plate with all the functionalities, with accessories and cables and so on. And with this, first solutions, we go into discussion with the customer and prepare quotation.
And then basically it ends up with a complete piece part list of the, let's say, former cabinet within MX components. That's it?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Now, one customer which actually did exact that. So you visited the customers and you worked through this is the company Aumann. It's not far away from our hometown. It's about 380 kilometers from here, but 50 kilometers from Beckhoff Fair. And you visited the customer and you made the application, and we got a nice video. Now let's take a look what Robin and Aumann Engineering did together. Yes.
Aumann Espelkamp GmbH has embodied a true passion for automation for over 90 years. As part of the globally renowned Aumann Group, the Espelkamp site in North Rhine-Westphalia is a leader for the latest winding technology, which is crucial for the powerful electric motors and efficient drive systems that are used throughout the world in electromobility and the automotive and electronics industries.
Now you can see our new vertical needle winding machine. It's especially developed for rotor winding. One of the interesting things or main items is the design of the wire guide system, which allows us to achieve low cycle time and good quality for rotors in the future. And another important topic is the use of the MX system. The main aspect is the compactness, so it's directly integrated into the machine without any control cabinet. And another important thing is that it's less effort to implement this system into the machine, so we have a less effort for the mechanic and for the electric guys to lower the lead times of the machine and make it more compact. We use a Beckhoff Control PLC, for example, in all of our winding machines since 15 years. So we had a lot of development and work together in the past already. Now, since Beckhoff has a new MX system on the market, we can use it here and get a lot of support from Beckhoff by planning of the system, by integration of the system, and together we make the machine running.
Now with the experience of cabinet building, I think we both know that not everything can be equipped in the MX system. We don't have thousands of MX modules. So Robin, now what is our suggestion if customers need specific interfaces or functions or features?
Yes, for collecting sensor signals, we normally use our IP67 boxes. We have a wide portfolio of EP or EPP boxes, and we provide 24 voltage and the EtherCAT out of the MX system. And for third-party devices, we have nearly the same way. We can provide switchable 400 voltage AC, 230 voltage, or control power 24 voltage, 48 voltage out of the MX system. And with gateways or direct out of the MX system, we can combine everything together and
Perfect. So basically, we think it from both sides. So if there's something missing in the MX portfolio, we have the EPP portfolio, or even external attentions.
Yes.
Well, perfect. Robin, I hope you might meet a lot of more customers like Aumann, where we can use your expertise plus the MX system and make this a successful business.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.